I wish I hadn't said things like, you aren't good enough, you're ugly, you're never going to allow me to fulfill my dreams, when actually I'm sat here right now living my dreams because I just embraced my body. I'm Iskra, and this is my love letter to my body. Dear body, for too long I saw you as the enemy. I'm sorry. I couldn't see past my insecurities and realize you're not meant to be perfect, and that's okay. You're all mine, and you're my home. I'm grateful every single day that you allow me to do the things that I love and explore the world. I found peace once I stopped comparing this body to others, or feeling like I had to change to fit to an unrealistic beauty ideal. Thank you for sticking with me the whole time and allowing me to find my strengths and abilities. I know how to cherish this body now, and I look after it because it's the only one I've got. And I'm grateful it's one of a kind. Thank you. I love you, Iskra. What I was saying to my body 10 years ago wasn't nice. You know, they say I don't speak to my best friend like that. It was the same with my body. Like, I can't believe that I was so hard on myself, and I wish I hadn't said things like, you aren't good enough, you're ugly, you're disgusting, you're never going to allow me to fulfill my dreams, when actually I'm sat here right now living my dreams because I just embraced my body and I allowed it to be its natural, healthy self, and instead I cherished it and became super confident because I saw it as my home, and I saw it because it allowed me to do the things I love. I love treating my body by nourishing it and moving it and doing the things that feel good and that I enjoy. Because exercise is not abusive, it's not punishment, it actually makes you feel alive, fit, strong, and you get that amazing adrenaline kick. And for me, there's no better feeling. That's definitely how I love looking after my body. I love box jumps, powerlifting, I love using weights because I feel like I'm a badass. I love boxing. I just relieve all stress and anxiety. Also with something like boxing or classes, they're fun because you're thinking about what you're doing, so you have no time to feel any insecurity or be aware of what anyone else is doing or what you look like. You're literally just focusing on trying to nail it. I've definitely felt intimidated by gyms, 100%. I feel like everyone went through that phase, especially if you're someone who had never weight trained before and you go into the male-dominated section where all the weights are. Excuse me, how long are you gonna be? And they're like, you wanna use this? Or they just like kind of watch you while you're working out. The whole thing is really intimidating and uncomfortable. And I found what I was doing was researching online, going on YouTube, checking out videos, doing workouts at home first to build up my confidence. My Everybody program, all the workouts you can do from home, because I wanted to enable people who did feel intimidated or scared to be able to learn how to move their body and try working out. You can wear whatever the heck you want, and you're just in private, so you don't feel like people are watching you or judging you. I feel like all exercise makes me feel confident now because I realize it doesn't have to be perfect, you just have to give it your best shot. Thank you for watching this, and I encourage you all to write a letter to your body and to yourself because it's really, really beautiful, and we don't often cherish and celebrate or say loving things to ourselves. So I can't wait for you to write yours. I hope it really makes an impact, and maybe you can share it with us as well. So make sure you tag POPSUGAR, and I'll see you soon.